Hello my friends and welcome to Flying Circus Models. Here's the second part of my current project, painting. I glued both fuselage sides together and I had to add a small plastic piece to the cockpit nose because there was a gap. After glue dried, I sanded all joints with a 600 grit sandpaper first and 400 after. Roden gives ailerons as one part with upper and lower wings. In my opinion, it looks not very nice, so I decided to sew them a bit, just to show that they are separate. I will highlight them with a black wash after, during a weathering process. Also, I removed extra pins from the top wing that were for a side gravity fuel tank. I will place the fuel tank in the middle of the wing. Once the fuselage was prepared for the painting, I masked the inner side of it and covered the whole fuselage with Mr. Surfacer 1500 primer, and also I covered with these all other parts like tail, wheels, struts, both wings from the top and from the lower side, etc. As usual, to imitate ribs on the wings, I used Tamiya masking tape. I cut it on small stripes and based on the plans, I applied them on both wings, upper and lower sides, as well as on the fuselage. Through the years of modeling, I realized that one of the most important things in painting, and not just in painting, but in everything in our lives, is the preparation. The more time you spend on the preparation work, the better result will be. After all strips were on the model, according to the drawings, I made a pre-shading with black paint. Now I can remove all masking tape. This time I decided not to use decals for national markings and to paint them instead. And again, to me, masking tape can help us in that. I cut circles with the different sizes, applied masks, painted in white first. This will be like the base for other colors. Then red paint in the center. It was masked with a smallest circle. Then white again, masked with a bigger circle, and the final layer blue. Then I removed masks and covered the full national marking with the new masks and started to paint upper wing sides in my vision of PC10 color. I used Mr. Color Field Green paint for that. To have that shade effect, I painted between ribs, so they are much lighter than the space between them. In doing so, you will get a very nice shade effect. On the fuselage left and right sides, I used the same painting technique, but I used beige color. In my opinion, this color fits the most for the linen. The fuselage bottom side had been painted white prior, and I masked it. The bottom sides of the wings were painted in the same way with the beige color. Moreover, I masked fuselage and painted nose and fuselage upper sides in the light gray color. After all painting was done, we can remove all masks and finally see if our national marking was worth all that work, or it was better to use decals. I think it's not too bad. Let me know in the comments what you think about this. And finally, I can remove masks from the fuselage, and the main paint job is done. As usual, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press that like button and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episodes.